Today, I'll teach you how to animate a 1v3 combo on flipaclip. Create a project with 24 frames per second, then turn on grid and onions. Let's start with the keyframes. Hey there, did you know with less than $1, you could become a channel member and have access to amazing member perks, which include member badges on comments, regular shoutouts, priority reply to your comment, and best of all, the ability to make me create every tutorial of your choice. The keyframes I'm making now are moves I already thought about previously, so be sure to have thought about your moves before keyframing. Enjoy the keyframes time lapse. Now, if you've been living under a rock and don't know what keyframes are, I've got you. In its simplest explanation, keyframes are the important poses or frames of an action in your animation. Now, after the keyframes are done, we start adding in-betweens. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give the video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, even your neighbor's cat. After adding in-betweens, add heads on the stickman. An easy trick for drawing head is to increase the pen size and tap once. The dot created can now be used as the head. Now the head has been added, seems like all that is left is to adjust the timing by copying and pasting some frames. Of course, this is easily done when you already have an idea of the timing of the movements. Some might need to be double framed and some triple framed. We finished the movement of the black stick. Let's animate the opponents getting hit. At the point of impact or hit, we animate the opponents getting hit. Now enjoy the time-lapse of the opponent animation. For a simpler tutorial on how to animate a stickman getting hit, check the tutorials playlist. A quick suggestion here. If you're having issues keeping the stickman size consistent, watch my animation tutorial on how to go from noob to pro. After the opponents have been animated, add heads, adjust timing, and we're done.